Welcome to the installation video.
Confirm you have all the parts. 2 long silver screws, 2 short silver screws, 1 long black screw, 2 short black screws, bolt assembly, faceplate, backplate, battery cover, rubber gasket, mounting plate, 4 AA batteries, auto lock sensor, auto lock magnet. Put the bolt assembly in the unlock position. Make sure the up sign is pointing up. Slide the assembly inside the door frame so that the mechanism is centered. If the bolt is not long enough for the hole, adjust the end to make longer. Using 2 small black screws, attach the bolt assembly to the door. Take the faceplate and rotate the pin so it is horizontal.
The faceplate comes with an upper screw mount that may not fit your door frame. If you need to remove it, look under the rubber lining for the screws.
Attach the faceplate facing out. Slide the screw mounts through the bolt holes. Fish the lock wire underneath the bolt. Turn the lock pin to make sure the bolt can extend. If it cannot, pull the faceplate off and rotate the pin 180 degrees. Next, line up the mounting plate and gasket. Fish the wire through the opening in the mounting plate. Line up the mounting plate with the screw mounts and flush with the door. Use the long silver screws to connect the mounting plate to the faceplate. Fish the auto lock sensor through the rubber gasket. Now, stand behind the lock and check which way the bolt is facing. Is it facing to the right or to the left? This bolt is facing right. Find the toggle inside the backplate. Switch it to match the direction the bolt is facing. Attach the lock wire to the lower mounting port. The pins should face down. Attach the auto lock wire to the upper port. Pins facing out towards the lock edge. Next, rotate the thumb turn away from the bolt until it stops. This means the thumb turn is vertical for a right-facing door or horizontal for a left-facing door. Use the short silver screws to attach the back plate to the mounting plate. Then use the long black screw on the bottom to finish. The bolt should be unlocked at this point. Manually lock it, then manually unlock it. If you cannot, this means the thumb turn lever was in the wrong orientation when attached. Install the 4 batteries and the battery plate. Next, try electronically closing the lock. Hold the pound sign 3 seconds until the bolt locks. If it doesn't lock, try locking it manually and then holding pound for 3 seconds. If this causes the bolt to unlock, this means the toggle wasn't set correctly in step 12. Unmount the back plate and check again. If it doesn't do anything at all, confirm the batteries have charged. If they do, confirm that the wires in step 13 were attached correctly. If none of these work, call support. Test the auto lock function. If it doesn't work, the auto lock pins were not installed correctly during step 14. If the lock is working correctly, attach the magnet to the door frame lined up with the auto lock sensor. Now that everything works, you are done.